Let's begin our experiment. First, prepare the materials. We have balloon, funnel, vinegar, baking soda, plastic bottle, and also the teaspoon. Start by putting the funnel into the balloon. This will make it much easier to get the baking soda inside. Next step, add baking soda. To get your balloons a bit bigger, you could add 1 or 2 teaspoons more. Next, use a funnel to pour some vinegar into your bottle. You can add probably 2 cups or more. Then, place the opening of the balloon around the opening of the bottle. Try not to let any baking soda fall into the bottle as you do this. Finally, when you are ready for some magic, lift the balloon to allow the baking soda to fall into the bottle. As soon as the baking soda hits the vinegar, a chemical reaction takes place that produces carbon dioxide. This gas is what inflates the balloon. And that's the end of our experiment. We have now the magic balloon.